you worry, don't you lose your cool. We've got the tech, we've got the tools. 30 years of wisdom, Einstein smart. We put the service back in the heart. Forward thinking, tech in our hands, the best warranties in all the lands. Award-winning team, local and true. We're coming fast to rescue you. 90 minutes or we pay you back $200. That's the track. Smart home, air and heat. We never sleep. A promise made is a promise we keep. When you're coming home hot.
Okay, so we got everything hooked up. Right now I have 62.7 coming out of the plenum. I am at 78 here, so that puts me at about a 13 degree temperature split. I've got them downstairs putting refrigerant in, filling her up, so that number should start dropping. We really want to see that number in the 50s range. It is 78 up here. It got a lot of humidity because the unit hasn't been running. So, but we need to get that number down, and that's what we're working on right now. I'll let you know. We should be getting down in the 50s, sure. Sure. All right, so we're about to break down into the 50s.
Home hot. We fix it fast. Comfort and quality. Built to last. Hey, woo! Local owned, local operated. The service you love. Highly rated, technology driven. Future.
Go. We're at 58.4, and then on the thermostat we're now back down to 77. So you can see that number is actually dropping. So that's good news. And so we are getting cooler in here, and that's about a 19 degree temperature split. I'm getting really happy with that, especially for the humidity that's actually up here because this unit has not been running. So we're gonna give it some time, let it run, and let's get that number down a little better. We're doing good.